Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to another Crypto Jet video. If it's your first time here, please do not hesitate to leave a like, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment down below or I'm stealing all your cryptocurrencies tonight. That's a joke. Let's move straight on to IDEX, the world's first decentralized exchange, launched in October of 2016. They claim to be the first, they claim to be the best, so let's take a quick look at them. It's the first actual Ethereum-based smart contracts exchange that supports real-time trading, supporting limit orders as well as market orders, gas-free order cancellations, and the ability to fill multiple trades at once. This platform actually has it all. IDEX offers the full functionality of a traditional centralized exchange, such as low latency trading, a must, guaranteed trade execution, a must. You wouldn't go on an exchange and try to change your tokens into some others if the execution wasn't sure. Just imagine trying to do that. You want to buy $10,000 worth of one coin and all of a sudden it just doesn't happen. What's the whole point? You're going to lose all your will to trade after that. So it's a very important point right here. They have a user-friendly UI and a lot of different order types, as I've mentioned before. Additionally, something that makes this platform very unique is the fact that it upgrades security, because instead of using the traditional verification systems and trusting big platforms to store all of your data and money, instead they upgrade security by the use of open source smart contracts to store funds, which is a decentralized sort of way of doing it, and it's a much safer way of doing it, which you can find out through researching smart contracts a bit more. They are amazing. They're just an amazing piece of technology. Just as blockchain is an amazing piece of technology, smart contract is something that is built upon that. It's like a real contract, but you can have many of them at once and a lot of different applications in the real world. So additionally, you can personally contribute to this platform by actually staking IDEX, earning trading fees for your efforts, and as a reward, stakers earn 50% of the trading fees on all IDEX products, which is a very good incentive. Additionally, these stakers actually upgrade the security of the whole system, which I'll show you in a second. And they're also expanding to Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polkadot, and other different cryptocurrency ecosystems. So, important things to glance over right now. They're unlimitedly scalable, if unlimitedly is even a word. They are cryptographically secured because the IDEX stakers, essentially, they make the tokens more valid on the off-chain ledger, meaning the security is increased, while at the same time the stakers are rewarded. So you will over time have more and more stakers, meaning more and more security and more scalability, which is a pretty foolproof system. So you can take a look here at the layer 2 rollout plan. Layer 2 system is the most important, it's one of the more important aspects of this whole IDEX technology. So take a look. They have phase 1, breakthrough performance on-chain settlement. Phase 2, layer 2 goes live. And phase 3, layer 2 settles. And the settlement transitions fully to the layer 2 system, eliminating taker gas costs entirely and making the system unlimitedly scalable. So this is something that's going to happen very soon. They have something about APIs here to connect your API to their trading platform. But without further ado, I think we've covered everything. Let's move straight on to the technicals. So taking a look at the market, at the chart right now, the first thing that we can notice is looking back at 2020, the dark age of the 2000s, 2000s. We can see a large spike in August, September of 2020. Now, why did this happen? It is most likely because consumer confidence started increasing as the new start of the school year came, as coronavirus cases started dropping, and people thought that the situation was going to get better. Well, newsflash, no it didn't, and then the price went all the way down until 2021 started, and then we started seeing a lot of more bullish pressure. So the first thing that I can notice right here is a few important zones that I'm going to plot for you right now. Sorry about that. We can see one zone right here, where the price was rejected multiple times at the 0.11, around the 10-cent mark. Additionally, we can move on to the 4-hour time frame. So I'd like to discuss this coin for a second. It went up from a low of 2 cents in January of 2021 to an all-time high of 20 cents, which is a massive 10 times increase in literally 3 months. This is one of the unique decentralized exchanges, which is a reason for the growth. However, we're going to take a deeper look at the chart right now. We can see this key area of resistance was broken out of after a huge sort of consolidation happened right here. Broken out of, very nice bullish pressure and a series of higher highs and higher lows to significant a bull run, signify a bull run. We hit the all-time high and then the price was kind of dropping, retracing since then. What I can do is see how much a retracement there will be by plotting a Fibonacci retracement band. And it appears to be somewhere in the vicinity of the SMA 50 line. The SMA 50 is the 50 period, simple moving average. And as we can see, the price sort of really does respect it. It has respected it in the past. Right here, we have a hit of the SMA. We have a massive bull potential. We have another hit of the SMA, more bullish pressure. We have a hit of the SMA from the opposite side, signifying bearish pressure. We have another hit signifying bullish pressure. You get the pattern, right? Another hit here, large bullish pressure. I'm expecting this coin to drop back down into this area of the 61% most ideal Fibonacci retracement area. Somewhere around here where we have seen the previous level of consolidation. So you could take this zone as underneath this or above this. It really doesn't matter, because in the long term, a few cents up and down doesn't matter if the project is so good. So I would expect this coin to retrace down into this area of support and then start another sort of bull run with a series of higher highs and higher lows, aiming for a new all-time high and exceeding it. That is my prediction for the next few months. This is a 4-hour chart, so we're looking at only about half of April right here. But moving on to the daily, something that I wouldn't be surprised of happening is break of this all-time high level and going for the 30-cent mark in some point in the future. However, we should wait for a retracement into this key Fibonacci area, which also coincides with the SMA 50 line. So this is a confluence of different indicators that lead me to believe that this coin will be bullish in the future, paired with the fact that its fundamentals are actually tremendous as well. As a project, it's tremendous. The chart is looking good. It's looking bullish. It's looking healthy. It's not scattered and shattered like a few other coins we did before our Ripple. And yeah, thank you guys for joining into this video. I hope you enjoyed the content, and I will be back very soon with another one. Adios.